been a while.
Remember that video we posted a long time ago called 6 Reasons Why You Should Learn to Sew on my channel?
Excuse me? Well, we're gonna kick it off with giving away a new
sewing machine!
That's right, we're giving away a sewing machine.
And we're giving away a sewing starter kit.
Thank you for EverSewn for giving us these sewing machines. Ow.
Oh, never mind.
Ow, it's upside down.
Oh, I didn't know it was pink. Did you guys know it was pink? Oh,
I knew it was pink. It was gold.
I knew it was rose gold, but I didn't know it was pink. So what do you think about your new sewing machine?
It's pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
Comes with a nice cover, so it doesn't get dusty. And it's rose gold, which is nice.
What's this? Oh, it's a cover.
Yep.
Mom just said that. So the winner will get this exact sewing machine.
Voila. I like the color.
Jinx.
The light pink, the subtle pink is super pretty.
And I like it how it comes with this.
The rose gold, that's my favorite.
One's my favorite
And
too.
the buttons.
Oh, and I like this.
Yeah, that's a really nice sturdy cover. Not for your head.
Yes, it is. So my head doesn't get dusty.
One person will get a sewing machine, but 5 people will get the sewing starter kit.
Okay, let's see what it is. Open it up.
How do you open it?
Yeah.
Opened it.
Oh,
Wait, how?
Come on. I like these.
oh, that's cute.
Cute little safety pin. We have a sewing gauge. We have craft clips, a magnetic pin cushion,
It was stuck. It's magnetic, that's for sure. Has pins in the back.
rotary cutter. I don't know.
Rotary cutter. It's your best friend when you're cutting fabric. So much faster and smooth.
Glass head pins.
Oh, so you could put it in there too.
Yep.
Water erasable pen.
So when you need to mark fabric, then you can do this and then it washes off or it disappears, I think.
Wait, it could wash off or disappear?
There's the seam ripper.
Seam ripper will be your worst enemy, but your best friend.
60 thing tape measure.
This is a 60 thing tape measure. 60 inch.
This is an iron vanishing pen.
What? What is that?
I don't know.
I've
When
never
you
heard of it.
iron,
Wait,
it
it says iron vanishing pen makes red marks that are easily removed by gently applying heat from an iron.
I like that.
Interesting.
Thread snips.
This
have
is
one of those.
one of my favorite things with sewing. Must have. It's so much easier to cut the thread like really close to the fabric every time you're done sewing.
And also you cut it to cut your split ends.
Oh!
Yes, thanks, Anna.
There's this 9.5 inch titanium
Titanium.
Oh, wait, one, two.
titanium black tailor scissors. 6x12 ruler, clear.
Clear ruler to mark your fabric or patterns.
And last but
And-
not least, this 12x18 cutting mat.
Oh, nice. So this cutting mat is for the cutter.
Test cut.
See? It cut it.
Whoa.
See? Isn't that super smooth?
You get all this.
Let's take a better look at the sewing starter kit, which 5 of you will win. And 1 lucky winner will win everything you see here. We are very excited to be giving away this awesome sewing machine by EverSewn and a sewing starter kit. This really has everything that you need to start and more. So this is really awesome. So 5 of you will win the sewing kit and 1 lucky winner will win the sewing machine. And to enter the giveaway, you have to, number 1,
Subscribe to my channel.
my channel. When you click the subscribe button, make sure to click on the bell icon and check all. If you're on your mobile phone, then change to desktop and find my channel. Then click subscribe, press the bell icon, and check all. Number 2.
Leave a comment and say who you're giving it to.
who you're entering this giveaway for. And that's it. For extra entries, see the description below to higher your chance to win. So good luck, everyone.
Bye-bye. If you like this video, give a thumbs up
Or thumbs down.
Not an option. Only thumbs up.